all are good and safe. This is your friend Piyush from Fairgaze. School khul chuke hain and the momentum is again picking up. We all are excited to be back again with new normal, right? So why I am creating this video, let's check it out. We are celebrating World Water Day. Objective behind this is to spread awareness to save water this year. And in this we want all the lovely students, parents, teachers and principals to join hands together and let's make this world a water smart world. Let's see किसको किसको पता है कि वाटर डे कब होता है, वर्ल्ड वाटर डे कब होता है. When is the world water day celebrated? You want options? Okay, so options are option A 14th Feb, option B 5th June, option C 1st of April, option D 22nd March. Please drop your answers in the comment section. हाँ मिलेगा तो कुछ नहीं, but still we have to aware people about world water day. So chalo, now not to waste more time and let's quickly check how to participate in this campaign. There are only 4 easy steps through which we can participate in this campaign. So first step is to create a placard. So this is my placard I have created. So the initiative which I have taken is I use bucket to wash my car. I am a water smart, hashtag one day for water and hashtag one day for future. So I have taken A4 sheet. You can take any size of the paper which is easily available in the market, but you have to take care of the visibility of text, which is very much important. So okay, so the next step is to register. Let's go to the next step. Open Fairgaze website, go to event button, click World Water Day campaign. Now this is your event page. Go to participate now and fill up your details. Small description about your initiative. Now press the submit button. Now your second step is completed. Now let's move on to the third step. Join Fairgaze World Water Day group. The link is here. Click the link. So this is the Fairgaze World Water Day Facebook group. So because I have already joined this group, so there is no option of joining this group again. So you have to join this group firstly, and then you have to upload the pictures here. So this is my photo with my friend. All content. I am water smart. I use to wash my car. Hashtag one day for future. Hashtag one day for water. Now tag Fairgaze and India is us. And now post. So your post is now been sent for the approval. So within 24 hours, you will the admin will approve your post. Then from there onwards, you have to share your post with your family and friends, with your connections, so that you can get maximum likes and you can get a chance to win this campaign.